Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Toyota Camry garage door opener. First, let's clear any old programming. Locate the 3 home link buttons, usually on your rearview mirror or overhead console. Press and hold the 2 outside buttons together for approximately 20 seconds. You'll see the indicator light slowly flash, then rapidly flash. Once it flashes quickly, release the buttons. This confirms all previous codes are erased, preparing your system for new programming. Now, let's program using your existing garage door remote. Position your remote control about 2 to 3 inches away from the home link button you want to program in your Camry. Press and hold both the chosen home link button and your garage door remote's button at the same time. Keep holding them until the home link indicator light changes from a slow, steady flash to a quick, rapid flash. This rapid flash means the code has been successfully learned. For the final step, you'll need to use the Learn button on your garage door opener motor. This button is typically found on the back or side of the motor unit itself. Press and quickly release this Learn button. You'll notice an indicator light on the motor unit will illuminate for about 30 seconds. Immediately return to your Camry and firmly press the home link button you just programmed for 2 seconds, then release. Repeat this press and release action 2 or 3 more times to finalize the connection. If you encounter any issues, first check your garage door remote's battery. A weak battery can hinder programming. If the system still isn't connecting, try repeating the entire process, paying close attention to the timing, especially with the Learn button. Sometimes, having a second person to press the Learn button while you're in the car can make the process smoother. Always consult your Toyota Camry's owner's manual for any model-specific instructions or additional troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.